Mom, where are we?
At the pumpkin patch. The Blase Farm Family Pumpkin Patch. This way, Henrick. You have to go all the way to the entrance.
Hey, Henrick, what is that?
No.
Is Zoe feeding the llama?
You want to try?
Do you want to do it, Henrick?
No.
Zoe will help you.
Come here, at least
Here,
help me
Liam.
hold my hand. Come here, help me hold my hand. I need your help. Henrick, stay here by mommy. Henrick. Do you want to do it?
No.
Fudge, Liam, come here. Let me see your hand. Let's show Henrick. Ready?
Henrick, I can't see.
Ready? Oh. Go like that.
I'll save the other one
hang
for
on.
later.
Hang it.
Unless he comes and eats them out of my hands. Hey. Bonk! You okay?
Come on, let's go.
Say, pumpkin eater.
Pumpkin teeth.
Story starts here. Spookley the Square Pumpkin. Okay, let's go. Okay. Over here's the first sign. It says, one day. Oh, come on, Liam. You have to hear the story. It says, one day in the pumpkin patch, the strangest little pumpkin hatched. Spookley wasn't like his friends. Where they had curves, he had ends. Spookley was different. He was odd. He was rare. Spookley the pumpkin wasn't round. He was... What shape is he, Henrick?
Prayer.
Square.
Where is the prayer?
Well, that's what's saying. He's so different. He's the only square.
Not the one. Another one.
Okay, you ready? It says, while the round pumpkins had fun rolling along, poor Spookley sat there shaped all wrong. He tried and tried with all his might, but he could not budge. He just sat tight. The other pumpkins teased him because he was square. Spookley wished he was round and could roll everywhere. I know. That is until one night when they discovered it's fine to be round when the weather is fair. But there are times it's better to be a square. Let's find out why it's good to be a square. Did you guys find the bug on this one? Ready? Halloween was just a day away when a mighty storm blew across the bay. It tossed the round pumpkins to and fro. It snapped their vines, then off they go. Bouncing left, slamming right, banging, bashing, what a sight. Spookley sat there filled with fright, but glad to be a square that night.
Where is fair?
Wait, where is the square? Good job.
Not the fair.
Yeah, well, it's not a square. Did you find the bug?
Barter.
Let's go find the bug on the other one.
Barter.
It is a spider. Let's see. It says, suddenly the fence gave way. 3 pumpkins rolled out and into the bay. Can you find the 3 pumpkins?
1, 2, 3.
Good job.
1, 2, 3. Not the pumpkin.
There's more pumpkins there, huh? And look, look. Crash, 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 crash. Boom, boom. Thunder, lightning, thunder, lightning. Not a loop. Spookley knew what must be done. It was up to him. He was the one. He teetered, he tottered, he tipped, he tried. He finally flipped. He was on his side. Again he tipped, again he flopped. Again he flipped, and then he
Upside down.
He went upside down, huh? He tipped and flipped and flopped and stopped. Henrick, this one. Okay. So Spookley stopped in the gap where the fence had snapped. He blocked the way. The hole was capped.
Look.
All the pumpkins shouted, hooray! They said, hooray!
Hooray!
Spookley the Square Pumpkin had saved the day. Then a pumpkin hit him with a whack. He thought his shell would start to crack. Then another one hit him and with a thump. And then another one with a smack. Yeah.
Too fair.
But they started running into him and smashing him. Ugh, what's gonna happen? Then one by one, a ton of pumpkins piled on the stack with a bang and a bash and a crunch and a crash. And then it all went black. He can't see now. He's all, look, he's totally covered by the other pumpkins. What's gonna happen? At dawn, when the storm had stopped, the farmer came out to check his crop. He picked his pumpkins up one by one and laid them out in the warm, dry sun. And when the last was moved away, the farmer could see what had saved the day. The odd-shaped pumpkin, short and dense, was wedged against the broken fence. Its shell was bruised, its stem was too, but there was brave little Spookley, sitting straight and strong and true. Right then, there the farmer knew all of the seeds he'd ever sown, Spookleys were the most special that he had ever grown. And the next year, when it was time to sow, he sowed those seeds in every row. He watered and weeded and watched them grow. And oh, that morning about mid-June, when the pumpkin patch begins to bloom, there were tiny pumpkins everywhere, hundreds and hundreds, most of them. What shape are all these?
All fair.
Square.
So many fairs.
No, there's lots of squares, huh?
So many fairs are here.
Square.
Wait a minute.
But some were cubes, and
Rainbow.
some were rectangular, some were flat, and others triangular. There was a bed of bright red ones and 2 rows of blue. There were polka dot pumpkins and rainbow ones too. There were thousands of colors and hundreds of shapes. Oh, what a garden variety makes. Look, rainbow. You see the polka dots, Liam? Where's the polka dots?
Right there. Look, a biker.
Spider web.
Where's the ladybug?
We get to choose a pumpkin from the pumpkin patch. I'm gonna make a rainbow, Mom. Because we get to choose a pumpkin from the pumpkin patch. I'm gonna make a rainbow one with white polka dots on it.
Cute. Says, now every year on Halloween, Spookley's patch is quite a scene. People come from far and near to see what wonders grew that year. They stop, they gawk, they gaze, they stare. Then they pick a pumpkin that's round, triangular, or perfectly square. What shaped pumpkin would you like?
Rainbow.
Now you know the story of how Spookley grew. Maybe someday you'll tell someone too.
Rainbow.
And they'll go tell someone who will go tell another. And maybe one day we will discover you can't judge a book or a pumpkin by its cover.
Done.
The end.
What are we doing?
We are on a hayride. See the tractor?
You excited?
Yes.
Excited?
So excited.
As we get started, y'all, I always like to ask for a show of hands if it's your first time out at the farm today.
Raise your hands.
All right, welcome out, y'all. Thank you so much for joining us. With every family that comes out, we strive to become a tradition in your households from this fall forward. Kiddos, as we cruise along here, keep your eyes peeled for some wildlife. If you look right off to the left, there's actually a mourning dove roosting under that tree in the shade.
Yes.
You might just see a bluebird, hawk, a sparrow, scissortail. If you look around the wildflowers, you might see a painted lady or monarch butterfly. Maybe even one of our resident honeybees buzzing around. As we come out from the tree cover into this clearing ahead, you'll see the blueberry farm as it stands now. It's grown over the last 10 years from 380 bushes to the now 1,224 plants you see in front of you. We're not going anywhere anytime soon. Who knows, maybe your kids will come out here and pick alongside their children, as each of these bushes should live to be over 50 years old. And we're growing. There's a gap in the cropland just off to the left. That's where an additional 300 bushes will be planted this winter.
Yes.
Thanks so much, y'all, and enjoy the rest of your day here at Blase Family Farms.
Okay, Sarah, what do you got there?
Got some homemade pumpkin fudge.
Ooh, look at that.
I want pumpkin.
Hang on, Liam.
Ooh, pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Got 3. Okay, I like want to make Liam try a little bit first before I do.
Okay, Liam's the first to try it. Oh,
It's candy.
is that yummy? Candy. Zoe, will you help Henrick get a little piece?
Ooh,
Is it good?
Yes.
very good.
Okay, Henrick, are you gonna try it?
Ooh, that might be my favorite.
We got 2 thumbs up from Henrick. Zoe, are you gonna try it?
No.
Why not?
It's super good.
Do you like pumpkin bread?
I don't know. I've never really had pumpkin bread.
You should try it. It is super delicious.
Okay, hold on, Henrick. I get to try some too.
Do you think I like
Oh, that's good.
Put it back. Don't eat.
Yeah,
No, not that one, maybe.
it's pretty good, huh? Better than the Borden's milk?
Yeah. Way better.
Yeah. Did you like it, Liam?
Yeah.
He keeps wanting more and more.
Well, Henrick won't let anyone else have his. He's just playing his own piece.